So guys, before continuing, I want to tell you, if you have 1.4 HDMI, well, change the cables. 1.4 HDMI does support HDR at 30 frames per second. 60 frames per second, no. I think in some conditions it supports 4K at 60 Hz, but in some situations. So if you want smooth as 4K at 60 Hz in HDR, change your cables from 1.4 to 2.0. You will see even the cables are different. Even the cables are, you can play at 60 frames, and I'm telling you, the cable is very important, because if you want to achieve 240 Hz, I want to show you now the main advantage is that if you see here pixel depth 12 bits. Well, this is what you are looking for, and I'm looking for, especially for movies, especially for a lot of things. 4K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz I was looking for in HDR10. It's not important. I like that it supports 12 bits. And this Denon receiver S960H, it supports until 120 Hz in 4K HDR, and even 8K it supports this receiver. We're not discussing this. And I want to show you the motion. Now we're filming at 60 frames per second. Let's dim a little bit the light, or now is exactly how I'm seeing. And I hope I remember to upload this video at 60 frames per second only for you gamers, because I want to show you an interesting thing. So this is my movement with the gun, and if I'm putting the projector to the advanced, I have ultra fast input, and until I will activate, if active, the warping, keystone, corner adjustment, digital and shift zoom will be reset to default. And this is not a good thing. I make an appeal to Viewsonic to modify this, because if we're playing games and this will be active, because this is the gaming function, man, it will smoothen the image. So this is basically this ultra fast input will smoothen the image, will permit a lot of frames, and this is a beautiful thing in a 4K projector. But if you have, I have, for example, it has a distorted geometry, this projector. I think this is the con thing to Viewsonic, and I have to reconfigure the keystone and the corner adjustment every time. Well, it's not good. Okay, let's activate it. With the ultra fast input, you can see smoothness, a lot of differences. Let's see if the video is the same. 4K 60 frames, HDR10 12 bits, and I can see improvements in the motion. Yes, oh man, you gamers will love this. But I'm not going to insist anymore on this. The image is great, the image is awesome. I can't believe how great it looks in HDR10. So is this a projector for gamers? I have to admit, yes, it could be improved, I have to say, but differences from the other projectors are big differences. And right from the start, guys, the images are whoa. So this game, man, has beautiful images, very clear, but the cars is not that accurate to drive these cars, but the images are beautiful. I'm curious. Oh, he didn't engage the HDR mode. I don't know exactly why. Forza Horizon 4. So guys, if I will not upload the entire review at 60 frames per second, the small samples from the review, taken out from the review, will be at 64. So I'm turning the car, and oh, the smoothness is awesome. Now it's without gaming mode. And now let's activate ultra fast input. You can see even in corners the image is smoother. It's looking better, way better than before. The smoothness is awesome. So this is the ultra This game is beautiful. I don't know how is the Forza Horizon 5, but if you can control the cars better, I would buy it. You know, in Forza Horizon 3 and 4, there are differences in maneuver the cars and drive. It's better in Forza Horizon 4, but the graphics are awesome. If they make maneuverability better, let's say like in Need for Speed with the design and the quality of the image of the Forza Horizon, will be the greatest game ever. And if you watch this tutorial and review, guys, you will not spend the amount of time I spent. I spent over 20 hours with this projector, because sincerely, guys, you have to find and read manuals and make a lot of tests. So we film more than 10 hours. I spent 20 hours with this projector, and I struggle and I lose a lot of nerves with these projectors. But when everything works at the end, it's a pleasing factor that you made a good review, a good tutorial, a professional review, guys. Yes, this is your pride inside, and you are happy that you went all to the end with success. So for gaming, for playing video, for HDR, it's an awesome projector. I don't know how it's in time, but for now I can tell you that it's great. You can buy it if you will find it, because I didn't find it anymore. You know, the crisis of the chips from China, Japan, all over. The production, has dropped down. Viewsonic, make a firmware update and respond to our emails. Maybe the next model of 4K projector Viewsonic or a laser projector or something like this, you will send us for a review, guys. I'm requesting for the Viewsonic company. I want to know your thoughts. Please comment, and I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you like how we get through everything there is about this. It's a long review, it's a long tutorial, but you know, good things do not come easily. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. See you. Bye.